following video will go through the step-by-step process of adding an asset, editing, and then removing an asset from MyGeotab. You'll first want to begin by clicking on the Assets tab on the left-hand side panel, and then click Add Asset on the top right of the page, and then Add Single Asset. From there, you want to give your asset a unique name, followed by the serial number for their device and the vehicle identification number, and place your asset type into a group. Once you've done that, click Save New Asset on the bottom of the page. From there, you're brought to the Asset Edit page, and you could add further information regarding the vehicle, such as the license plate, the state, province, and odometer readings, and so on. Once you've done all that, you can click Save on the top of the page, head back to the Assets tab, and we can see that our new vehicle has been added. Now, to make any edits, simply click on the box right next to the vehicle and click Edit on the top of the page. From there, make any of the required edits and then click Save on the top of the page. To delete an asset, click on the box again next to the vehicle and click Delete on the page. And those are the steps for adding, editing, and removing an asset on MyGeotab.